For having me.
All right, now we want to take a live look at the Senate floor. Pretty incredible sight as you see His Holiness, the Dalai Lama, as he gives the opening prayer. This is the first time the spiritual leader of Tibet has done this for the Senate. The chaplain of the Senate, Barry Black, often invites other religious leaders to give the opening prayer when he's out. The Dalai Lama's meeting with President Obama last month drew protest from the government in Beijing. Let's take a quick listen.
Simple Buddhist monk. So pray to Buddha and all other gods. 관계 투신에서는 다와도 제방에서 담배 춘이 된세배 과담달라 차우설로 최는 이기정신데 이인이 소신면으로 개디인 접장배 말씀양의 차장으로 달라테에 대화토 주모요 민주신 The first the sentence I read. Now my broken English.
Little bit of humor there from the Dalai Lama, who is offering the morning prayer for the very first time in the U.S. Senate. Well,